What's up, everybody? Welcome to another DP Tubs video. Today we're going to be reglazing a standard acrylic bathtub using Midwest Chemicals Low VOC material, which consists of your top coat resin and catalyst with the reducer, as well as the wipe-on primer or adhesion promoter. I always start off my jobs using Lime Away just to do a standard cleaning and rinsing of the tub. Once it's all cleaned up, I'll patch and sand some Bondo over some surface cracks at the bottom. Then when it's all sanded and cleaned up, I'll take a tack cloth and just go over the entire tub. As recommended, before using the Ultralink primer, I'm going to wipe down the entire tub with some acetone. Now I'm going to wipe on the Ultralink primer using a microfiber cloth and apply it to the entire tub. Keep in mind you can use the option of spraying it, but I prefer to wipe it on with the cloth. Now I'm going to mix up the low VOC material at a 4-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to go 4 parts resin, 1 part catalyst, and 1 part reducer. Now I'm going to go ahead and start spraying. As you can see, my first coat, my passes are a little bit quicker than normal just to get it tacky before I spray the slower additional coats. So there you have it. There's the Midwest Chemicals low VOC bathtub reglazing material. I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 or 9 out of 10. Solid product, good coverage, nice high gloss, smooth finish.